This is the best travel shorts. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Don. Today in this video, I'm going to review Wrangler Authentics Comfort Flex Performance Cargo Shorts, which I have it right here. So I'm going to give the name in the description box below because the name is pretty quite long. I always try to wear cotton, but whenever you're traveling to tropical countries like Thailand, Maldives or Philippines, and you have water activities, or let's say you're going to the beach, then cotton shorts is not going to cut it. You need something which is fast dry, moisture wicking, and which is sun protection, and also stretch. And all this you have in this sports or performance shorts by Wrangler. Now I have used their other shorts which are like 70% cotton and 25% polyester and 5% spandex, but I was looking for something which I could use both as a swimming dress or just regular shorts when I'm going to water activities or water tour or island tours or on the beach. And this is the best I believe I was able to find. Now let me just quickly look at the fabric material. So this is made of 96% nylon, 4% elastane, and yeah, that's it. So now it has the stretchy material, that's why it stretches. And this one also has EPF 30, so it has EPF 30 sun protection in the fabrics, which is very good, and it's fast drying. So if you are just if you are wet, if you're going to island hopping tours or any water activities or beach, and if you all wet, this is going to dry very fast, unlike cotton shorts which is going to take much longer to dry. And another advantage is that it's going to protect you from sun, and once you're back to your hotel room or your Airbnb, you can just wash it and it's going to be ready in the morning for the next day. Now in the past I used to carry a separate swims shorts to go to the beach or swimming pool, but now just to keep my luggage minimal, I cut that. Now I have one of these hybrid performance shorts, and it does both. So whenever I'm going to the pool or ocean or beach, I would just wear this one, and then I don't have to carry a separate set of swims shorts for that purpose. Now I'm just going to quickly wear this and show you how it looks, and it's very comfortable. And in terms of pockets, one thing I like that it has zippered pockets, which is very handy when you are traveling. So you can put your stuff and zip it so it doesn't come out, or someone cannot just stick the hand and take out. And then it has zippered pockets on both sides, one here and one here. And then the back pockets, you have these two back pockets, but there's no zipper, but which is okay. You're not going to keep anything valuable in your back pockets. And then the front pocket has a very good space, so you can put in phone or other stuff if you want, if you don't want to put anything here. And same here, so it has a good amount of space inside. So now let me just wear this, and I'll show you how it looks when I'm wearing it. So this is how it looks when I'm wearing it, and you can see that it feels very comfortable and fits very well, and the pockets are in very well positioned. Now this is 10-inch inseam. That's what I something like. If it's 8 or 9, I don't like it because it feels too short, and also it has lesser sun protection. So 10-inch works out much better than 8 or 9, and you can see that it comes up to my knee. Now I'm 5'7", about 160 pounds, and you can see that this fits very well. And I didn't wear a belt, so to show you guys that how it really looks when you are wearing it. So the fit, the color, the comfort level, and the stretch level, everything is really nice. And this is going to be my shorts on my trip, which is coming up for Maldives and Malaysia. And I'm happy with the product. And this is not a paid or affiliated review. All my reviews are non-affiliated, unbiased, and honest. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.